Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Tis the season for comfort food, and I have the perfect recipe for you guys. On today's episode, we are making split pea soup with ham. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to chop our celery. Next, we're going to chop our carrots. Chop 1 large onion. Last, mince your garlic. After chopping our vegetables over medium heat in a large pot, we are going to add our olive oil. Add in your onion, your carrots and celery, and we are going to give this a stir, and we're going to saute these for 10 minutes. By sauteing our veggies for 10 minutes, it will bring out the veggies' natural flavor, and it will make our soup taste a lot better. So this is how our veggies are looking after 10 minutes. So now we are going to add in our garlic, add your oregano, thyme, and black pepper. Now give it a stir, and we're going to allow this to saute for another minute. So after 1 minute, this is where you would want to add your water. But since we are making this in the crock pot, we are going to transfer it over to our crock pot. After adding in your veggies, go in with your water. Add your bay leaves and your ham hocks. Turn on your crock pot, and we're going to set this for 4 hours on high. After setting in your crock pot, we're going to go through our split peas. Make sure there's no dirt or rocks in it. After going through your peas, it's time to wash them. After washing your peas, go ahead and add them to the pot. Give it a stir. So we're just going to leave this alone and allow it to do its thing. We're not going to add any salt to it at this point because our smoked ham hocks is full of flavor. So go ahead and put on your lid. After 4 hours, this is how our soup is looking. It's looking great. So what we're going to do now is remove our ham hocks. After removing our ham hocks, this is how our soup is looking. We're going to leave the bones in here, and we are going to shred our meat. So this is how our meat is looking after shredding it. So now we are going to put it back in our soup. Go ahead and give that a stir. And we're going to simmer this on high for another 30 minutes. After adding half of a Maggi cube and half cup of water. After adding in your water, go ahead and season it with a little bit of salt. I did went and taste my soup, and it does need a little bit of salt. So I am going to go ahead and give that a good stir. Cover it with my lid and set it on high for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how our soup is looking, and this should take us to the end of making this recipe. Hello guys, so my split peas and ham is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? My mouth is watering and I cannot wait any longer. Delicious, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.